Don't play with it, don't play with it, don't play with it. Don't play with it.
Hey guys, I finally got that cabinet cleaned out that was at the front door. And yeah, it took a lot of like deorganizing, I guess I can say. So we got to go through all of these boxes. And it's, you know, when you bring two in, you need to just take two out. Girl, either a bigger house. That's what I want to go for. Just, I need a bigger house. know, you can't be in the middle. You gotta choose a struggle. You gotta choose a struggle. So we are back to it, and yeah. So on Wednesday, on the 26th of September, is when my bookshelves are coming. So I'm getting ready for that. And I'm probably going to move this over there until we can get it into our storage. Who knows? It might look great there. I'm not sure, but we're going to see what it looks like. Okay, guys, I was able to clear out and move that across the room. I really wish I could move it there under the gallery wall for just some extra storage there. It would have fit perfectly there, but we have that fish tank. So with that being said, I'm going to have to probably take it up out of here. Like, it's just not gonna, I don't think it's gonna work there, you guys. All right, you guys, the bookshelves just arrived. Well, they arrived earlier today, but yeah, today's the day I got them in. I was supposed to get them yesterday, but nope. It was an extended day to wait for these beauties. And yeah, I don't know how I'm gonna attempt this. These boxes were very, very heavy. But we'll see. I'm gonna see what I'm gonna do. And I don't know how I'm gonna film this yet, but we gonna get it going. All right, y'all.
Yeah, that's not good.
No, it's not. Okay. All right, you guys. So it's coming along, but I'm so upset because I have to send one of them back. This one over here behind me, it has to go back. There were some defects, and it was just like a part from like a bottom was in the middle part. It was just crazy where you screw the bottom on, like the legs. That was in like the center where the two connect. So they had this bottom right on this top of this piece. So I gotta send it back. So I'm only gonna be displaying like one cabinet shortly. But yeah, we're working it out. We're working it out.
Okay. There.
This thing has like a trillion pieces to it. Good Lord. I should have probably got a task rabbit, y'all. That's what I should have got. Okay. But how you gotta pay for that and then pay for somebody to put together? That's a lot. I'm doing my dang myself. Okay, so same for me.
Hey guys.
I didn't hurt my finger a little bit.
Okay.
Swollen.
Oh. Cassie. Look at that.
I can't get that nail into that back one. I gotta figure out how to do that.